wanted to have my birthday at fucking McDonald's, I would. You know what I mean? I don't give a fuck. Like, if I wanted McDonald's, I would do it. And I would fucking put that picture up. You know what I mean? Like, I don't care.
Today's vlog, a quick one. It's minus something outside. I'm not looking to be outside for too long. So I'm gonna do half of it inside the house and the other half obviously outside. R&G. If it will autofocus. I don't know if you can see it, but it's R&G rear footrest plates. Tools, product, phone. Bike is these two bolts will be removed, and I'm going to put those R&G footrest plates there so it looks a lot better than what it does now. Let me open the instructions. Right, let's get this opened as quickly as possible. I want to stay inside the house for the warm stuff and try and be outside for a short amount of time as possible. Right, instructions, as we all know, they come hidden. Again, 2 stickers. I'm sure we'll find somewhere to put those. Put that back in there, put that to one side. Let's get these instructions open. Fitting instructions, we'll get to that in a second. Put that out of the way. Let's get to the main bit of the show. Bits and bobs. That is the technical term. I saw someone do a review on these, as well as a vlog on how to install them. And when he checked his packaging, there was only one for one side of the bike. So apparently he had to buy the other one separately. But luckily, I've got both in the same packet. So, oh, it's already open. Flat on the back, those will just sit on the side of the bike at an angle. Okay, this one isn't open, so with that in mind, and there's the second one. Exactly the same. 2 flat plates, a pack of bits and bobs. That out the way, put that back in the way. Get the old phone out and bring up the camera, bring up the QR code. There we go, it's picked it up. Show options, open in browser, download. Right, here we go, here's the instructions. Let me read over these, no doubt nobody wants to see this. Right, back outside, chair, phone, tools, and obviously now let me get on here. Even though I'm sitting on here, I'm shitting myself. Right, that's before. I worked it out, I checked the instructions. It's self-explanatory. You get 4 washers, 2 for each side, but we need to see if we actually need them. I'm gonna get a Torx bit. I think it's a T45 for this. We'll get this taken off. And I've just noticed this clip, which is undone, so I've got to figure that out in now as well. I've got to figure out where that goes. I believe that holds that. Indeed it does. We'll sort that out first, because that's loose. T45 bit. Let's get this off. Well, this is boring, so I'm going to try and be as quick as possible because it is f***ing cold. Get rid of that original one. Get rid of this. Now we just need to figure out whether we need those washers provided or not. 9 times out of 10, because they've come in the packet, I will use them. So that will sit just like so and look a million times better and give the bike probably another 60-70 horsepower once we've put both sides on. And that's that. Grab 2 of those. They will go behind like so, and then this Allen, which is the new ones provided, will go in like so. So let me get these on and see if it works, and I'll bring you guys back. Right, I've got the Allen out, the right one. It is apparently a number 5. That's what we're going to call it, a number 5. A number 5 Allen. I don't know if you can see, but I'll put the washer behind. We're going to tighten this one up now. And tighten that one up properly. I've left that one loose on purpose. Oh my god, it's so cold. Tighten that up. That's that side done. Looks a million times better. One down, one to go. I'll meet you on the other side. Hello from the other side. Now, Torx T45. Let's get this off. That bit of grass do my head in. Well, that's the wrong one. Shame. Where's it gone? It's probably gonna be in here. I don't know which one it was now. Is it that one? Indeed it is. So these bolts are a T30. I think this is probably going to be one of the simplest mods I've done. Get that and that. Right, so again, nothing there. I'll bring you guys in when it's done because I need 2 hands. Right, I've managed to put it together. I haven't tightened it, it's still loose. So we're going to find the right size Allen, which is number 5, that one. Oh no, I'll have to go in first. Start it off by hand. We'll give this a clean down afterwards. Let's just get it in place first. I feel like my hands are going to fall off. And there we go, both done. Keep the original bolts because they're a remortgage. If you want to buy some more, might as well keep the originals. Right, those 2 and those 2. That's strange, they're both different sizes. Look at that, the different sizes. Alright then, it is what it is. Just going to show you the final product. Done. Peace out, because it's too cold.
What is it to you? Fucking little telltale rat!